So, how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 50 seconds? Yes guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. First thing, open the settings, open the apps manager, and then open the apps like this. Go to the Instagram app and then click on the force stop, and then go down to the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert. After that, you have to open the Play Store, search for Instagram and click on update to update it into the latest version so you can fix all the problems. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. Thank you so much.